Okay, palit.
Ano na talaga?
Okay. Okay. Oy. Kabila. Wala sa center.
Wala daw na center.
Sugta pa doon. Okay, ready? Kabila. Okay, ready? Oh, yawak na. Ready? Go! Okay, now. In scored. Okay, ready? Okay, you will pass that on January. Yung papel na yan. Okay, so yung first day of January, you will pass that paper. Okay, question. Question? Na, you may now go back. Yung walang division, magpalit na. Walang division. Okay, so, sa January, break na lang.
Pero ni Abarca.
Okay, ready?